Hey, welcome to another quick market scan on November 17th, 2020. So right now I cannot help but think that the market lost some steam. So for the first time in the recent past, you can see that the Bitcoin price is kind of grinding downwards, but we cannot really see lower lows. So this is a very dangerous situation. So I would not advise to just start shorting Bitcoin or even another coin, because it's difficult to say if this is really the top. Maybe the price goes just like 1,000 dollars higher, and this was just some kind of small pause it took. So both possible. And so let's check how the other coins are doing. Yeah, same for the recent past as well. ETH is going down, but here it looks actually like it's forming a kind of trend line. No, maybe not right. If it would have been like this, it would already be broken. And like this, it doesn't really have a lot of contact points. So yeah, this looks actually a bit bearish as well. Yeah, Wi-Fi the same, Uni as well the same. But I got to say, yeah, and yesterday I was talking about Uniswap taking a trade, or yesterday when I talked about it, I already was in the trade, and it was in that region from, let's see, where's yesterday? Yeah, it must have been around one of those regions. So yeah, to make a long story short, the trade worked, and it went from around 3.5 to around 3.6. So that was a nice small scalp. Yeah, and for now, if I zoom out to a higher time frame, Uniswap looks even interesting for a bit bigger gains. So let's assume that this trend line holds, then the price might continue moving upwards, maybe to here and maybe even to lower highs, especially since it's coming, yeah, it's like on a retracement from a way higher region, you see. So yeah, since it's now in a bullish trend, it might just continue. So I'm keeping an eye on that, not entering at the moment, and it's very important to be patient here, to wait for trend lines to cross, maybe even on a bit higher time frames, and not enter before just by assuming that this might be the lowest point. Another coin which I think looks interesting on a kind of higher time frame is Swipe. And I know this is just some pie in the sky Elliott wave here, but since I put it into the chart a few days ago, the price just keeps following. So I put it here when the price was, I think when it was around here, it just keeps following the line. So there are several things which might happen. Maybe the price just cannot get higher than here, it just goes down again, or maybe it goes higher. And so around this region would be an interesting stop loss. Just so what this means is that this is just an interesting target region, which would be actually an amazing gain of, I don't know, 40% or something. And I don't want to make the video too long. I think yeah, I'll end this. Link you can see still in the channel. And let's see what Aave is doing. Yeah, still everything looks pretty bullish. So no reason to short. Just be patient, look for the dips. And yeah, I read somebody on Twitter who wrote, if something works for you for the moment, milk it as long as it continues, and yeah, only stop doing it if it doesn't continue. So what this means for me is currently I just wait for any of these coins to form a dip, to have a low RSI and start to increase again and crossing over MACDs, and then I buy. It worked pretty well in the last few trades, so I'll keep doing this, and I'll not just randomly switch to bearish. I only switch to bearish when it's really confirmed. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.